Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this MUNBYN stencil tattoo printer actually that this brand sent to me for the video. It is really easy to operate. I tried it already. I'm going to show everything to you in a close-up in a few seconds, but the bottom line is that this one is super easy to operate. You can see how compact it is, yet it's tiny but mighty. This is a 10.3 inches actually by 2.22 inches device over here. They're going to see that connects via Bluetooth to your devices, to your tablet, to your phone. I have it connected with my phone already. It is really easy. You just like short press the button for 3 seconds. It's gonna get into pairing mode with the Bluetooth, and then you find it, and that's gonna be it. I'm gonna show it to you on a close-up with the app in a few seconds. But also, this one comes with 10 sheets of paper by the same brand, and I do recommend to use it on the same brand, just in case you don't never know what's gonna happen with other brands. And also comes right here with the USB-C connector to power it, and also the instruction manuals as well as a quick static guide over here. So you're not gonna have any issues. And of course, as I was telling you before, having some extra paper right here from the same brand could be the good decision. So this one goes up to more than 200 DPI resolution. So I think that is really good for tattoo artists and people that needs to kind of like use this type of stencil papers. But I'm gonna just stop talking and show it to you working on a close-up right now. So once that you have the app connected, super easy, as I told you before, you can see that you can do a lot of things over here, like applying a filter, uploading out a photo, rotate it, do some brightness and contrast, and of course you can just move it around, super easy just to know where the printing area is gonna be. Then you hit print over here, and it's gonna show you where it's gonna be. You just hit the last print button over here, and then it's gonna connect to the actual printer, and you're gonna see the paper going super easy. It's gonna take you about, I wanna say like 15 seconds, I think, so no more than that. And then you're gonna see the transfer coming right away, and then you're gonna have to remove the back part over there. Remember, just use the yellow part over here, as you can see, to put it in the printer, and then use the remove the other protective sheet that is the yellow part on the back. You can see the transfer coming super nice and easy. This is about to finish. I'm just gonna put my phone over here, and then we're gonna see the finished job. So take a look over here. Then we remove this part over here, and you're gonna see that this is so cool. You have the full stencil over here just to apply it on the skin. You can remove this part. Of course, you're not gonna need this part anymore, but you can actually use this one to transfer it into the skin to the client or any person that you're doing this tattoo. By the way, this is a really, really nice tattoo. I really like this device, super easy to connect, really easy to use. Just remember to use their paper, their stencil papers. It should be all covered. I like it. Finished job over here. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.